Hi seesters! Let me fix my shirt. Hi seesters, it's Maddie and today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial for you guys. Ew, I sounded like a gaming channel for you guys. I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial for you guys. It's a rosy makeup look. If you couldn't tell, there's a lot of blush and pink. So this is the look. I hope you guys enjoy today's video, and you guys, if you want to know how to do this look, then keep on watching. We have to prime our eyelids, so I'm going to be using my Born This Way. Now that those are primed, don't set your eyes with powder or anything. We're going to go straight in with eyeshadow. Really, all you need is just like a bunch of pinks because you want to have a lot of depth and stuff, so you don't want just like two pinks. I'm going to be using a big fluffy brush to start off with. This is the brush I'm using. It's not going to focus because my autofocus is not working. Even though I have it on autofocus, it's just not working. I'm going to start off by using the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I'm going to be taking this color right here, this light pink, and I'm just going to put that, just like dust that over my eye. This is going to be like the base type of shade. I definitely have another color on this brush because this pink is not that red. Or maybe it is, and I'm just stupid. Okay, and now I'm going to be taking this pink color, Eden, in the Huda Beauty palette. It's more of a peachy type of pink. So that's why I'm taking that. And I'm going to put that in there too. Next, I'm going to go in with this red right here. Because we want it to be more rosy, so like a darker pink. So I'm going to take that underneath. We'll be blending it fully out in a second. I just want to place the color there. Now we're going to take that first color on this and we're going to use that to blend this all out. Blend that color up kind of very gently. Okay, so now it's really pink. Now I'm going to be taking a smaller brush and we're going to be going into the Huda Beauty palette again and taking amber mixed with saffron. Those two colors mixed, and we're going to take that underneath there. You want to take a lot of saffron because that's the more pinky toned red in the palette, and I'm just taking that underneath until the lid kind of, if you get me, if you feel me. Okay, so now that those two colors are on there, then you're going to take that first blending brush again and you're going to blend. So now we're going to be cutting into a halo eye because it's going to be like a halo eye type of look. So you kind of want to do that because we're going to be blending in onto the sides. Don't set it. I'm going to use Blood Moon in the Huda Beauty Desert Dust palette, but you can use like a gold or whatever, but this is like a more red toned. But I'm going to be spraying my brush with some Broski. You can use any. And I'm taking that shade, but I'm going to be mixing a lighter color on top so it doesn't just all look red. Next I'm going to be taking Angelic and Nefertiti and blending that on top to make it a lighter rose gold type of color. Okay, so now that those two colors are mixed, now you're going to take that small blending brush again, that one that we used to darken up, and you're going to take saffron and just blend it onto here. This eye is not perfect. It's flawed, but it's fine. Okay, so this one's still brighter, but it's fine. Anyway, so that's the eyes. So now I'm just going to be doing my face makeup, and then I'll be back to do highlight, blush. Okay, so So now I'm back, and my face is beat. The next thing that I have to do is blush. I'm just using the North Orgasm blush. I'm spraying my brush with setting spray, so it can, like, the blush can be very pigmented. I think like blush noses are really pretty, like really cute. Oh wait, first I should do my under eye shadow. I'm gonna be taking Eden from the Desert Dusk palette. I'm taking Eden and I'm just gonna be putting that underneath. It's probably, yeah, I'm gonna take Saffron and Eden and put it underneath my, okay, so now we're done with those palettes. I'm going to be using this highlighter. It's the Wet n Wild highlighting powder in Precious Petals. I haven't used this in a hot minute, but it's really pretty. It might be a little bit too dark for me, but it's fine. Now I'm going to spray my face with this Dewy Finish setting spray from NYX. I'm going to put on lashes, so I'll be back with my lashes on. So this is the look with the lashes on. These are the Kiss. Let me check, I have it in my notes because I might do a giveaway. First you have to moisturize your lips. I use the Rosebud Salve. Rose, oh my gosh, sugar. And now I'm gonna add the Essence Shine to Shine Lip Gloss. And behind the scenes, on top. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Okay, it's definitely not focusing now. Okay, this is the eyes, the lips, the mouth, the face, the blush. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys did, please like and subscribe. Comment down below if you want me to do a giveaway at 5K. If you do, just let me know. Like, comment down below all about that. Jazz. Follow all my social medias at Maddie. I have Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat. I hate whenever I do that. I look so awkward. Love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye, seesters.